feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Alright, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Alright, today we have a needle and tip set for the Hychika. Alright, got a new tip and needle in here. This is the 1.2 fine atomization tip kit. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. Alright, 1.2 needle and tip kit. Yes, it's plastic. Yes, it's fine, okay? I was spraying with that gun for over a year, put dozens of gallons of thinner through it to clean it. Don't trip about the plastic tips, like that ain't nothing, all right? But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna put down some black on the hood and fender and some clear coat. We're gonna do some black and some clear today, and we'll see what we got, okay? They sent out a new tip, say that people want that fine atomization, so that's what we're aiming for. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna go mix up, mask up, and we'll get to it. All right. Real quick, I just want to let you guys know, with the cordless version, we all know that wasn't gonna work. So I started taking the cordless version apart, seeing what I could salvage for parts. And I noticed when I removed the back cover that these things actually do have a little filter in them. So I took the filter and changed it over into my one gun that I've had for the past year, and it did have a little buildup in it, so you know, I thought that was pretty cool. That was something that I wasn't aware of. So now on to the tip and the 1.2 tip and needle. Hychika sent me out the kit to go ahead and try it out. I popped it in the gun. It's fairly easy. Popped it in the gun, and this is it here operating. Okay, one thing I'm gonna try in this video, I'm gonna compare it to the actual tip that I made. You guys remember I took a Dremel and I made like a 1.1 size kind of tip with the panel bond that I made that did very good. So I'm gonna compare those two just to see if it's something that you even need to go out and purchase. Again, I don't want someone to go out and just purchase a 1.2 if you don't really need to. Some of you guys are kind of handy, crafty. You can go ahead and make your thing like I did. So stay tuned and you'll see the comparison between those two. But I will say that so far, out of all the different tips that come factory with the gun, the 1.5, the 1.8, all of those other tips, like so far, this is the ideal setup. Because as you see, the speed is there. You know, a lot of you guys aren't going to be doing little touch-ups, little spot repair. You want to paint your whole car. You know, just like I did that video with my co-worker when I painted his little hoopty car he bought. You know, you want to paint your whole car. So you're going to need something with some speed as well as some good atomization. And I feel like it's right there. Okay, so real quick before I put on the clear coat, I actually want to try something. If you guys remember way back when I customized, I made a tip, the 1.1 tip I think it was, with the small drill bit with the Dremel. I want to try that. I'm gonna put, now see, this is the factory 1.2 tip and needle from Hychika, okay? So if you guys remember when I drilled out this one, it was a black tip. I think it was a 1.8. I put the epoxy on there. I drilled the hole. See, this is what I just sprayed with, okay? This was the one I just sprayed with. See, paint there. That's their new setup. But I'm gonna try this on that. I'm just trying to compare. I wanna see if some of you guys even need to go out and purchase the 1.2. You know, the 1.2 and the needle, which is only about 10 bucks or something. It's cheap. But if you have 4 tips that come in your kit. So if you can experiment and get that small Dremel, little needle hole and get good atomization, like it's not needed. So I'm just gonna experiment real quick. I'm just gonna try it on this one and we'll see how it goes down in comparison to the factory Hychika. All right, so that's a... Yeah, so this is gonna be with the tip that I made. And again, it does okay, but it's a little slower. You know, it's a little slower. And a lot of guys in the last video when I reviewed the Innocraft gun, you know, they were saying that, oh, it's okay if it's slower. It's okay if it's slower. New guys, like, you know, there was a lot of people coming for me in that video. But when you're doing something, holding a gun like this, and you're talking about doing a whole car, yes, yeah, it does matter if it's slow, okay? Yeah, if you're sitting here carving out a fender or something like that, then no, it doesn't matter. But when you're talking about painting your whole car, trust me when I tell you, you will be there for hours upon hours. Not 1 hour, not 2 hours. You will be there for hours, okay? So when I review these things, man, it's like I'm giving you from something real. You know, when I gave my feedback back to Innocraft, this is the email they sent me. You know, they're going to work and they're going to tweak these different things that are on the gun. You know, I had so many guys coming in telling me that somebody else painted with the gun and all they had to do was turn the fan down to 4 or 5 inches and it sprayed perfect. No, I'm not going to turn a damn spray gun all the way down to the size of an aerosol can fan to make it work. I'm going to give feedback back to the company and have them correct it so you guys can have a good experience with the spray gun. And I'm not going to apologize for not giving a great review on it and saying it's great, it's great, it's great, if I don't truly feel that, you know. Some of you can respect that and some of you can't. And the ones that can't, you know, middle fingers to you. But yeah, man, so it's like, that's what it is, man. I'd rather have these people fix the gun, make the adjustments, and then the gun be great for everybody, versus just dealing with some handicapped 4-inch fan to paint a whole car. Like some of the people just sound, nah, I'm not gonna say that. They just sound, don't say that, Trigger. But you get my drift, man. Paint a whole car with a 4-inch fan? Really? Come on, man. So yeah, when I tell you guys something, man, I give you a review. I'm telling you something real, man. I understand that, you know, being real isn't for everybody. Some people just want, you know, I want that gun to be the best thing cooking. At the beginning of the video, I was saying that, oh, I think this is it. I think this is it. Trust me, I want the gun to work. I want you guys to paint your cars, man. But yeah, so with this, after spraying with the 1.1 tip that I made, no, it's going to be better if you get this 1.2 tip and needle from Hychika. Right now I'm spraying clear coat. It's going down great. So that's a coat of the AmTech clear. Take it right off the stand for you. But yeah, so spend the $10 and just get the 1.2 tip and needle. Pop it in your gun and you'll be good. Which I think if people are just buying the Hychika for the first time, I believe it comes with that. So it'll be included with the gun. Yeah, the other version where you're making the hole, I mean, it was okay because that's all we had at the time. But yeah, it's a little slower. But who knows? Some of you guys can probably make something better than I did. A lot of you guys play around with the 3D printing. I'm sure you can make something. Maybe you guys can make a split tip, like an Iwata split tip. The Hychika split tip nozzle. Ooh, oof, oof, oof. Oof. Now that would be something. But yeah, so for the guys that, were butthurt over the Drizzle X review, I'm sorry, but it'll get there. It'll get there. They're already working on it. I've talked back and forth with them already, and we just want it to be great, man. We don't want it to be a okay gun. We want it to be a great gun. It's the first of its kind. Why not make it the best, That's how I look at it. You guys go in the comments and let me know what you think. Let me know what you think.
All right. Got it done. We got it done. This is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like. So, decent, man, decent. It gets you a nice Sata Jet off the gun finish, with the 1.2. Okay. Actually looks like if you were to use a 1.3 on the Sata Jet, that's what you would get, man. That's what you would get. That's what you would get. Yeah, so actually my theory that I was thinking, no, it wouldn't make any sense. I said, here's the tip, the white tip, the 1.2 and the needle that's set up in this gun. And this is where I made that one tip out of the 1.8, I think it was, when I put the panel bond, drilled the hole. 1.1 custom. See, even my custom gasket thing there. So this was my original here. And yeah, the 1.2, it seems like it's a little better. It flows out, you can move still pretty fast with it. And it still does a decent job on the atomizing. It's not like super slow. You can still, if you wanted to tackle a whole vehicle, you can still get a whole vehicle. And yeah. So see no problem there. A little bit of texture in there, but for an electric gun, not bad. Buzz this down with some 2000, buff it up. You got showroom finish, you know what I mean? So, and that's it, fellas. That's it. So just wanted to test that for Hychika. They sent it out to me, and I guess that's what you guys are going to be receiving. If you order the 1.2, you'll get a tip and you get a needle, a replacement needle on there. And that's what it is, man. That's what it is. They got a few other things they're working on too that I can't disclose, but sounds good. All right, so that's gonna do it, man. Hope you guys enjoyed. Links will be in the description, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.
Okay, end of the day. Brought it out in the sun. This is what we're looking like. That's 2 coats of black, 2 coats of clear, and that's what you got. Okay. So yeah, so far this setup, the 1.2, hands down, that's it. That's good. Clear coat, flowed out. And that's it. Links will be in the description. And again, for you guys with the Innocraft gun, just be patient, man. Let them get the gun perfect, and you'll be good. Okay? You do not want to paint a whole entire car with a 4-inch fan moving like a turtle. Okay? You don't. Trust me. Oh, yeah. And when I said the gun was like a turtle, I did have one of my subscribers to send me, they forwarded me a reel of someone else painting with the gun in a booth with the camera sped up like 10 times. Hey, man, I think I'm just going to start doing that, man, because people don't appreciate being real. They just want the little stupid stuff, man. I'm just going to, after this, I'm just going to be like, it's awesome, camera tricks, speed it up. Yeah, man. This real stuff, they don't get no credit for this stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.